Hello my fellow Aldi addict, it's Jackie, and I'm at my local Aldi on Sunday morning, per the usual. Today is my middle daughter's 10th birthday, and we have lots of fun plans, so you're probably not going to see this video for one day. Sorry for the delay, but I'm going to get inside, get my week of groceries, and there's one thing that I am super hoping is here. I absolutely love maple flavor, that's the hint. I've seen it floating around the Facebook groups, and people just say it's divine. So I'm hoping it's here in my Aldi, and wish me luck. Okay, first up today, I'm getting mini muffins for my daughter's lunches. I split a pack between them for each lunch, $2.29. We're still on a pita kick, $1.79. I'm getting 2 packs. $2.65 for a loaf of Italian bread. We love this take and bake. I just wish it had red stickers. I haven't found one in so long. $3.95 for the Clancy's version of Velveeta. I'm gonna make broccoli cheese soup with half of this. I love when they have the white version, but you have to find that when you're lucky. I'm gonna get a gallon of cider for $3.75, and then I'm gonna get 2 things of strawberries for lunches at $2.49. They still have lots of pumpkins. $2.99 this week again. 69 cents for cilantro. We're gonna get some green grapes, easy lunch edition, 99 cents a pound, wonderful price. Getting a 3-pack of lettuce. We're having salads this week, and we're having wraps, so lettuce for the wraps, $2.49 for a 3-pack. We used to love these cheesy breadsticks, but they took away the butter sauce and the marinara, and that was the best part. But I'm looking for calzones, and they don't have them, so they must be somewhere else. I'm getting 2 dozen eggs because I'm making cake pops again, and that takes 9 of them, so $1.22 per dozen. You guys always used to love my milk prices, and then they shot up. $2.84 for a gallon of white milk. $2.89 for butter. I'm getting the unsalted up here. Okay, this is the first spot I was gonna look for my maple item that I'm searching for, but it's not here. I need canned tomatoes for lasagna soup, but they don't have any, so I guess I'm gonna have to get the rotel in the baking aisle. I'm going to get red onions and yellow onions, $1.29 and $1.39. We ran out of hazelnut spread for toast, $1.79. We needed to get peanut butter, $2.69 for the big guy. Tri-colored peppers, $2.99. Grape tomatoes, $2.19. My husband requested I stock up on more cereal. Oops. So I'm gonna get rice checks at $1.99. Honey wheat puffs at $2.19. And then also fruit rounds at $1.29. All his requests. And then my older daughter Mila is with me today, and she requested the chocolate peanut butter puffs at $2.69. $1.19 for apple juice. I buy one of these a week for my daughter's vitamins. And you can see they don't have any juice boxes right now, so I'm glad I stocked up a few weeks ago. Day of the Dead succulents, very cute. Mama version and baby versions. A money tree, very interesting. And the flowers here don't look so bad today. You guys, I'm so excited. They have the churro maker, and it's coming home with me. It comes with recipes, easy to clean, non-stick. $16.99. Merry Christmas, Jackie. My daughter wants me to get the 4-slot toaster, but I just don't think we need it. It would be helpful on breakfast nights. But I also have one of these. I will share with you guys my quesadilla maker. You can link to the video at the end where I share quesadillas using it. It's actually really nice, and it makes pretty defined cut lines. We like it, but I don't have the Aviano version. I bought one at a garage sale. I know I've been requested to share more of the actual clothing. So here are the looks of the jeggings. They feel more like jeans to me than I thought they would. I really like this kind of pink rusty color. And then they have a couple different washes of denim. I think they're pretty cute. I'm not getting them because jeggings aren't my thing, but they look cute. There's the cat beds. Oh, here's what I was looking for. Reversible tank tops. That's not what I was looking for. But the bralettes. I want a couple of these. So they have gray and white or pink and black. Super cute. I just gotta find my size, which is not extra large. Lots of last week's stuff. Oh, they have the lounge pants, the casual pants. I think those are actually pretty cute. The material's nice and soft. Leggings, maternity leggings, different canvas shoes, towel sets, lots of good things. I have a kit like this that I bought on Amazon years ago, and I've been using it for 5 years. Saving lots of money cutting my husband's hair. Halloween cereal. Cinnamon brooms, I love them. I'm not getting one today, but $3.99. Maybe I'll get one in a few weeks. She's not happy with that. I'm getting flour tortillas for wraps, for jerk chicken wraps. $1.35. I'm gonna get 2 boxes of farfalle noodles. One is going to go in my lasagna soup, and then the other one we're just gonna make on the side for those of us that will not eat lasagna soup. 79 cents a piece. I, for one, will eat the lasagna soup and very much look forward to it. I needed a can of tomatoes, so I'm gonna just substitute for the diced tomatoes with green chili, 68 cents in my lasagna soup. I'm buying a box of spaghetti for $1.39 just to have in the cupboard, and I was looking for macaroni. It doesn't appear that we have any, so I'm gonna get rotini for when I make mac and cheese this week. Should be good still. 79 cents. Okay, I did find macaroni when I went down about 2 steps, so I'm getting that as well, $1.39. We'll just have extra pasta in the pantry. 89 cents for breadcrumbs to top the mac and cheese. I need 2 boxes of cake mix, 85 cents for making cake pops. After I made them for my daughter's birthday last week, she wanted them for her volleyball team. I need chicken broth for the lasagna soup, $1.15. Almond bark to dip the cake pops, $2.69. $1.15 for vanilla frosting to mix with the cake to make cake pops. 65 cents for evaporated milk. This is to go in my mac and cheese. $2.15 for a sausage roll. Half of this is going in my lasagna soup, and then I'll freeze half for another recipe. $2.15. $2.29 a pound for chicken breast cutlets. I'm making my Jamaican jerk with it, and also garlic chicken. So I'm gonna get this pack, 2.47 pounds for $5.66. These look really good. I'm probably not gonna get them, but they look really good to me. The Chobani Flip Pumpkin Harvest Crisp for $3.35. I'm going to get my recent favorite donut store blend, $3.65. Nothing new over here. I feel like a lot of what's in here we've had recently. The veal patties look new. Stuffed clams. Shrimp and crab ravioli. Oh my goodness, look at this. How cute is that? A ghost pizza. Will these ever sell? Tiramisu. Oh, that's so tempting. But that's something that I'd be the only one to eat in my family. $5.99. My son's preschool asked us for water. Actually, specifically from ALDI, so I'm going to get 2 of these, 85 cents a piece to take tomorrow. I'm going to get 3 calzones, 2 pepperoni, 1 cheese for dinners this week, and then I'll cut them up. $1.65 for mild cheddar cheese cubes for my daughter's lunch. Block of mozzarella for my lasagna soup, $1.75. You guys know the drill. Spicy hummus is the way to her heart. Parmesan wedge, $3.29. Potato puffs to go with our jerk wraps, $1.50. I'm going to get the Chardonnay, $2.95 to cook chicken in. Woohoo, they have my water, so I'm going to get 7 of these, unflavored, 55 cents a piece. drink one a day. For my broccoli cheese soup, I'm getting 3 packs of broccoli frozen, 8.9 cents a piece. Okay, so this is what I was looking for. Maple butter, but that is so unbelievably expensive. I'm too cheap for it. So it was a success in the fact that I found it, but not a success in the fact that I won't buy it. Mila's getting jalapeno chips for their lunches, $1.28 for. In the Aldi Finds food aisle, they have all these amazing, specially selected pastas. I'm not putting any on the list, but you know, next week I'm gonna think of some way to use probably the garlic herb ribbon pasta. Here's my cart. Any guesses on total? And I totally forgot to film an outro in the cart. My total was $148.94. Our menu for this week, I'm making lasagna soup. We're gonna have Italian bread on the side of that. I'm also just gonna make the plain bow tie pasta on the side for my vegetarian. And probably my husband, I don't know if he'll actually like this soup. I'm gonna make homemade mac and cheese. My daughter saw a picture and thought it looked really good. It has like a breadcrumb topping. And I'm gonna make garlic chicken on the side. I'm gonna have tamales and fajita rice, broccoli cheese soup with rolls. I'm gonna make Jamaican jerk chicken, and we're gonna have that in wraps with tater tots. We're gonna have the pre-made calzones. I'm gonna bake those up, slice them so people can take different ones, and we'll have salads on the side. And then finally we'll have leftovers or pantry meal or out to eat, I'm not sure, but these are the 6 meals I've planned, and all of the recipes that I'm using, if I have a recipe, are linked below. Thank you so much for watching. Chow down and ciao.